Good day everyone, this is group 6. We are here to present a topic, ecology. Behavioral objective. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to define ecology, state the approaches used in the study of ecology, and define ecological concepts. Definition of ecology. What is ecology? Ecology is a branch of biology that deals with the study of living organisms in relation to the environment. You see, this is the picture of tiger in its environment, the picture of another animal in its environment as well as aquatic organisms in their environment, that is water. So ecology has to do with living organisms in their natural environment. It deals with how organisms influence the environment as well as how environment influence living organisms. Approaches to the study of ecology. 1. Autecology. This is the study of single species of organism in relation to its environment. It's also known as species ecology. That is, we will study a single individual in its environment, as we have a single dove in its environment. Likewise, an animal, a single species in its environment, you can see the antelope, ecological concept. There are various concepts of ecology needed to be understood for effective ecological study. These include ecosystem, environment, lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem simply connotes the interaction between living organisms and non-living components in an environment. You can see the picture of goat as a living organism and the environment. Ecosystem has to do with the interaction of organisms and their environment. What is environment? Environment is the immediate surrounding of an organism. The immediate surrounding of an organism, and it connotes both living and non-living. The total surrounding of an organism. And you can see the picture of fish and its environment. In the environment, we have the both living and non-living things. Lithosphere. Lithosphere consists of solid part of the earth crust. It represents about 30% of the earth crust, e.g. land, as we see a picture of land. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the part of earth crust that consists of water. It make up of more than 70% of the earth. It houses the aquatic organism. See, the liquid portion of the earth is what refers to as lithosphere, and it is the largest portion as it makes up 70%, like water. As we see the water, the ocean, the example of hydrosphere. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is the part of the earth that envelops the air. It is the gaseous portion of the earth. It constitutes like gases like nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and inert gas in varying degree. The atmosphere is the gaseous portion that envelops the earth, like the oxygen that we are breathing in, the carbon dioxide that we breathe out. All these constitute the atmosphere, and they are one way or the other have impact in living organisms. Lecture 2. Topic: habitat. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to define habitat, state the type of habitat, itemize example of each types of habitat. Definition of habitat. Habitat is a place where living organisms live, e.g. land, water, underground, on the tree, etc. An habitat is just a space occupied by living organisms. This is an example of habitat. This is desert occupied by living organisms. This is another habitat occupied by living organisms. This is also a example of habitat. Types of habitat. We have aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat is the portion of water. As we see the picture, this is an example of aquatic habitat. This is an example of shrimp. Aquatic habitat is a portion that have high percentage of water and have little oxygen. Aquatic habitat is a water body where living organisms live, e.g. fresh water, marine and estuarine. Example of aquatic habitat. 1. Freshwater habitat. This consists of water body with no salt concentration. Example include lake, pond, river, etc. Organisms that can be found in such habitat is tilapia fish. Marine habitat. It is also known as saltwater habitat. That is an habitat that have high concentration of salt. Example is sea and ocean. And you can also find shark as an example of organism in such habitat. Estuary habitat is also known as brackish water. It constitutes of combination of fresh water and marine habitat. That is, the combination of both fresh and marine habitat is what refers to as estuary habitat. It is also called brackish habitat. Terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat are area of land where living organisms live, e.g. grassland, rainforest, desert and savanna. That is, terrestrial habitat is the solid portion where living organisms live and it has little water and high concentration of oxygen. Example of terrestrial habitat, we have savanna, which is occupied by grass. It has little annual rainfall. The other one is rainforest. The rainforest is characterized by trees, shrubs, and it has high annual rainforest. The other one is desert. In the desert, you can see the bare surface where little or no plant grow. It is characterized by low or little annual rainforest. The organisms that you can find here, like cactus, such organisms have some defense mechanism to maintain little available water. Thank you very much.